Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is CID News Network, Islamabad. The news read by Zainab. Foreign Minister Shah Mehmood Qureshi says Pakistan is committed to forge close cooperation with United Arab Emirates in diverse fields. Iran's President Hassan Rouhani has accused Israel of killing their prominent nuclear scientist in Tehran. As the second wave of COVID-19 resurged in the country, 3,045 new cases and 45 deaths were reported during the last 24 hours. Minister for Planning and Development Asad Umar has appealed people to strictly adhere SOPS to prevent spread of second wave of coronavirus in the country. Foreign Office spokesperson has reiterated that Pakistan will not recognize Israel unless just settlement of Palestinian issue. Federal Appeals Court has rejected a petition filed by President Donald Trump in presidential election in Pennsylvania state. Foreign Minister says Pakistan will continue to play its conciliatory role for peace in Afghanistan. Prime Minister says construction of more effective houses under the Workers' Welfare Fund is a practical example of government's commitment. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Allah Hafiz.